Okay, class, good day. To continue our lessons or topic, let's have now the vent system terminologies. This is the continuation of the venting system. Maybe all the vent terminology may be the same as the previous discussion. Okay, so for the vent system or venting system terminologies, you have first the ventilation. So this is the process of supplying or removing air by natural or artificial means to or from any space such air may or may have not been conditioned. You have here the sample drawing of the ventilation system or the venting system. You have the broken line as the vent pipes. Okay. Next, you have the vent. This is a pipe installed to provide a flow of air to and from a drainage system or to provide circulation of air within such system to protect the trap seal from siphonage or back pressure. So it's very important to have your trap seal or the standing water in your traps so that the foul odor cannot pass through back to your fixtures. Okay. Next, you have the vent stack or the main vent. So vertical vent pipe installed primarily for the purpose of providing circulation of air to or from any part of the building drainage system. So this is the main stack. This one. And this is the main vent. This one. This is the main. Then the main stack. The vent stack. Next is the stack vent, soil and waste vent. The extension to the open air of a soil or waste stack above the highest horizontal branch drain or fixture branch connected to the stack. So the stack vent is connected to the vent stack, which is this one is the vent stack, and this one is the stack vent. Okay. The pipe here is just connected but different name. This is the vent stack and this is the stack vent. Since usually the stack vent is above the roofing. Next is individual vent or back vent, type of venting system where the vent connects with a single fixture trap usually at the back and extend vertically and connects with a stack vent, a vent stack or a branch vent. So for example, you have this trap, this one, to connect, or maybe for this example, I already discussed this in our venting system, but for this drawing, I think you have this fixture here. Since this is connected, so maybe this is a lavatory. And after the lavatory, you have your individual vent pipe, this one, and then connect to your main vent, or maybe a horizontal branch vent to your stack vent. Okay, that is the individual vent, this one. Okay. Next is the circuit vent, a branch vent which serves two or more traps and extends from a front of the last fixture connection of the horizontal branch to the vent stack. Circuit venting can be used when two or more fixtures such as lavatories are installed in a row, or that is battery of fixtures. The circuit vent is connected to the waste drain line between the last two fixtures in the row. Then the circuit vent is connected to the main vent. So you have here the two traps. Maybe this is a floor drain, or maybe this is a water closet, and then you have your lavatory. So you are to provide here your circuit vent, then connected to your main vent. So this is the horizontal branch vent, this one. And then to your main vent, and your main vent connected to the stack vent. Okay. is circuit venting. So one pole circuit. Usually used if there are battery fixtures and maybe two or more fixtures in the area or provided. Okay. Next, you have loop vent. A vent arrangement for a group of plumbing fixture consists of a vent pipe which is connected to the waste or soil branch immediately before the first fixture of the group. You have here, this is the sink maybe, and then you have the loop vent. In other example or in our previous example, the loop vent is connected or introduced because there are no partition in the toilet bathroom. Okay? So the loop vent here is this one, this pipe. So it introduces a loop, okay, to provide an air circulation. This one from your fixture, from your sink, you provide a vent pipe here going to the horizontal branch pipe, and this line here is going to your main vent. So that is loop vent. But if you don't provide a ventilation system here, you can introduce here a screw door. It's a device that can circulate the flow of air in your drainage system or waste line. Another is another definition or use of loop vent, a type of ventilation system used on fixture in a room away from a wall or partition. So since you cannot go through with this pipe connected to your main vent, since you cannot have the horizontal branch vent here to connect with your main vent, so you just go back to your horizontal branch pipe. That is with vent, since your wastewater here flow also to that branch pipe. This is an example of that. Okay. Another circuit venting and loop venting illustration. This one, the broken line, that is the vent system. So from the stock vent, you can have the circuit venting. Since there are battery fixture provided, since you have here the traps, okay, of the circuit venting. Also this one, if this example, if you have this part here as the last floor of the building, but if you have this maybe in second floor, and then you have another floor, so you have your main vent connected to the circuit venting. This one, solid line, is the soil stock. So this is where the wastewater, or you have the waste from the drainage or from excreta drainage passes through. And then the broken line is for the main vent. Another is you introduce here is the relief vent. Okay. But this type here, you have the circuit vent, also called as the loop vent. For the loop venting, you have here the loop venting. Okay. You go back to your horizontal branch pipe. That is loop venting. Okay. Then you have here the yoke vents for stock or more than 5 branches. You have here the plan. Then the combination of waste and vent system. So combination of waste and vent system. So they introduce here the wet vent, since the wastewater also passes through the vent. Okay, so for example, this one, the wastewater from the kitchen passes through the uh, horizontal pipe, and maybe you have another lavatory or maybe kitchen sink here or lavatory. So the wastewater coming from that fixture passes through this pipe, since this is introduced as your vent. So maybe this is a combination of waste and a vent pipe. Vent, consider that as a vent and also a waste pipe. Okay, so that is combination of waste and vent system. Okay, so thank you. That's all for the vent system terminologies. See you in our next topic.